Hey guys, this is Bisma. Today I will show you step by step how to create this delicious radiant skin with a wash of color just in the time of summer. I'm gonna show you how to create this simple look that is perfect for every day, right at home, using some of my favorite multiple use products. First and most importantly, go to your regular skincare routine. Next, think about what do I need to cover and correct and how can I add light and liveliness to my complexion. First, I'm going to use this Pixie Glow Tonic for hydration and cleaning up dirt that you get throughout your day. Make sure not to be very harsh on your skin and movement should be in circular motion. Then I will add few drops of hyaluronic acid to alleviate dry skin. Do not rub your face excessively to avoid tugging at your skin and spread it evenly. Wait couple of seconds for the serum to get completely absorbed into your skin. Next, I will use Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream to further moisturize the skin. Moisturizers also help makeup to stay on longer and look less dull and flawless. For primer, I am going to use Benefit Professional Primer on my T-zone because this area tends to get oily but I want to keep my skin dewy. That's why I won't cover other areas with the primer. One of my favorite go-to is Becca Backlight Priming Filter and you can use it anywhere you want. I'm gonna take little drop and apply it on top of my cheekbones, chin and forehead. In short, anywhere you want to see that glow. Next, I will use NARS Radiant Creaming Concealer in shade Ginger to cover my under eyes, pigmentation and acne marks. I love this shade because it matches perfectly with my skin tone and its texture feels very light on skin. Now I'm gonna go in with my Giorgio Armani Maestro Fusion Foundation. So I will take few drops of it on my face and start applying that all over my face with the Beauty Blender. What I love about this foundation is that it gives a very dewy kind of quality so it looks like it's a shine and it blends beautifully. It goes very well in the daytime and at night time as it gives a very light to medium coverage. Now I will take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Medium Honey and apply it under my eyes, around my nose, around my mouth and center of my forehead, and I will put just a tiny bit along the jawline and some over my lid as a primer to get rid of any redness and blend it in its place with the Beauty Blender. Now I will set my base with Laura Mercier setting powder all over my face. You can use fluffy brush for light coverage or Beauty Blender for more coverage. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. powder contour palette and use darker shade. I will paint it higher on my cheekbone to lift my face and under my chin, contouring it downwards to make my chin look lesser. And blend everything with the Beauty Blender. I am also gonna take small blending brush and contour side of my nose with the same shade in parallel direction and shading it inward to the hollow of my eyes. Now I'm gonna put some NARS blush on to the apple of my cheeks and tip of my nose. I love this blush on because it gives a very glowy highlighting effect. Now I'm gonna mix two shades, warm and light brown from the Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette and focus on the outer corner first, then on the crease. Nothing complicated, just shaping the eyes. Now I will take bit of this peachy shade from the same Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette and blend on the crease. Now I'm gonna dip into the dark brown shade for the outer corner to darken the outer corner and pull it outwards a little bit. Next I'm gonna use warmer color that I used first on the crease and put it on the lower lashes. Now I'm gonna take my Bourjois eyeliner because I cannot do without a perfect winged eyeliner. It's my everyday go-to thing. Now taking some Makeup Forever Smoky Lash Mascara and apply it on the upper lashes and the lower lashes. Now carefully taking my Duo Lash Glue. Apply a thin layer to the lash band and wait for 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky. Place the lash band as close to your natural lash line and gently press down to secure. Now I'm gonna set my brows with Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4.5. I use this pencil often because it gives very natural strokes. I don't like that Instagrammy brows that are too harsh and obvious. Eyebrows are supposed to be made as natural as you can, just fill in the gaps. For lips, I'm gonna take Trendsetter lip pencil from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna line and fill my lips with this pencil completely to keep them stay for longer. Next, I will take Dior Rouge in shade 614 and blend them all together, focusing Dior in the center. So guys, this is the final look, or I call it all matte look, and it's gonna look great on anyone or any skin tone. You can add a lot to it to change your look. You can add highlighter or different shade of lipsticks or gloss or peachy blush on or more blush on. Whatever you want to change, you can do that. You can try this look for office meetings, brunches, play dates, etc. because it goes best in the daytime. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.